and 3. Walk it up, right foot, we go. Walk it up, tight and go back. Lift. You got it, y'all? Look, let's add one more thing. Let's add a clap. Take it up, clap it up here. Work in. High, give it. Add some funk and some flavor. You ready? March it out, right, left. Now, march it out, get ready. We're going to take it back to our slide. And then one, come to me. Y'all ready, y'all? 5, 6. Let's go. Clap it out, twerk, and give it hit. 4 more right here. 4 and 3. You know what? Come to me. Tight in. Work. Clap it up. Go. Do it again, y'all. Hey. Come on. Come on. Right here. Slide out. 4 and 3. And pump to me. Walk up. Push. Turn high. You guys are going. Slide again. Come on.
Are you doing it, Tyler?
Come to me. Come on. Hey. You got it. And let's
Look here.
one more time. Slide it out. Right here.